Leg exercise by Nigo, the instructor. Yun ang kanyang tinuturuan natin, no? Oh, ayun, no? GC. He's doing the shoulder shrug. Exercise prevents stiffness. Also, drinking exercise. Delikado. Ayun, no? Leg exercise using the leg extension machine. Anong ginagawa ni Nal? Hindi siya nagpapawas.
Wala, tama.
Oo.
Pinamuli sa camera.
Kanina tinutulungan siya. Oh. A criminology student who is here in the gym
Ako na yan.
for
Tapos na magpa-cute.
strength, body stamina.
Pero, tayo pa ako eh. Nunguyakoy ka na. Ay, nakakatamad mag-leg. Anong buwan eh? Order na ako. Order ka na.
Anong year ka na, Mahal, sa criminology?
Second year.
Third year ka na?
Second year.
Second year. Lapit na yan.
2 taon pa.
Ito naman si Nile. Ano to? Computer to?
IT yan.
Oh,
Third year na yan.
information technology. Pagpupulis din yan, yung IT na yan. Alam mo yung kamag-anak ko, computer science, pinasok niya pulis.
Pwede na. Sa
Ano?
detection ng napol ko.
Oh, taga Bulacan. Ang apelido niya ay Kabirte. Wala ka ng sildo. Siyempre, senior na siya. Tumasangran ko. Okay. Ayun na, nagpapahinga. Yakapurado ka naman, Miles. Eh.
Patay na ako eh.
Siyempre, merong 20 seconds rest interval after 12 repetitions. That is the proper way how to do
10 minutes
exercise.
na pa rin nito eh. Kaya mo madagdagan. Dapat hindi pababa sa'yo.
Pangilang set na to? Second set or third set?
Pangatlo.
Matapos natin siya na.
Tapos na kami.
Sinay.
Pauwi na.
Ayun na. Tignan mo guys, lalaki na ng katawan, pati yung legs eh. Proportionate ang paglaki ng mga nila. From upper down below. Ang legs. Proportionate. Ba, maingay yung customer ko guys. Pasensya na kayo.
Sinisigaw.
Yan, pagka mapagod eh, nasigaw eh. Nakabang video tayo, kala nyo rito.
Nakalive si tatay. Uy, isa pa. Bawas.
Hi everyone. In response to your inquiries, Brusco Fitness Gym is located at Building 5, Mercado de Calamba, Calamba City. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Ha?
Ngayon lang ako nag-video.
Pagkalong kasi, bakit natulog
ng 2:30. Lahat ng long video ko ay ginagawa ko sa gabi.
Saan na lang ako sa legs, mag-shoulder na ako. Hindi, baka ano ka. Baka mag-short na ako dyan eh. Pwede, like nito. Sa ito, nakalagay na naman ito eh. Baka sa mga naman.
Chiseled like muscular body is not involved. You have to work hard. Commitment and dedication is the key. This is called leg exercise. I mean, uh, second set leg exercise by Miguel. Physical training and persistence have been the cornerstone of sure transformation from skinny to muscular body. There is no easy route. There is no magic formula. Fit exercise into your schedule always. You have to hit the gym regularly, at least 4 times a week. I repeat, 4 times a week at least. Of regular exercise.
Mainit ah. Mainit na. May tumawag eh.
I know you're tired of following my lucid dreams schemes, for they're only fleeting things, my lucid dreams. Anong pizza ngayon, Mike? July 22? Today is July 22, 2026 at 2:50 p.m. Wow. Mukhang mag-shoulder si Miles, oh. Shoulder exercise. You can be more efficient if you are strong and healthy. Strong and healthy body excels in production. You can work overtime without any hassle. Let's go here. JC De La Cruz is with his bona fide instructor. and friend at the same time. He's doing the tricep exercise with the proper form because the instructor is very strict and linear. Yun, Alright, perfect. Okay. Okay guys, this is all for today. This is all I can show you today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Danilo Gampon channel. I thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye. Bye.